gonna tell you a scary story. No excuses. I just suck. Got hour and a half until sunset, so it's raining. It's gonna be wet. Yeah, it's pissing rain, and I figured, you know what? Got about an hour and a half. Let's go see if I can squeeze 9 in before it gets dark. It is about 44, 45 degrees out right now, so not very cold, but it is wet. I am very wet right now, so. Right down the little left side of the fairway, but right down the middle, nonetheless. I think that's gonna work just fine. Let's go. First drive, not so bad. I'm about 50 yards, 50, 60 yards out. Well, that last shot was complete shite. So, yeah, it's wet. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but it's wet out here. Let's see if I can chip up close, save par. Let's do it. That'll do. Little 2-putt bogey to start. It's not the worst thing that could have happened in this weather. All right, we're at hole 2 now. It looks like they cleared the tree out that was in the middle of the fairway since last time I played here. Kind of a bummer. I kind of like that tree a little bit. It is wet, as I mentioned before. I took a bogey on that last hole, so let's see if I can give myself a little birdie or maintain a par. See what happens in this nice drizzly weather. A little bit of a cut shot there. It's in the fairway-ish, not in the creek on the right side, so I got that going for me. Let's go see what happens. I'm about 250-ish, 260. Just gonna play it safe today and split the difference, try to get on in 3 and get my par. I'm gonna go with a 6-iron here. Right up there by the 100 mark. We'll be there in just a second. Stay tuned. We are just inside of 100 yards. It's playing about 80-ish. I basically scolded a 60 degree. That was not the right club, not the right swing, really bad. Look at this. I got lucky. Looks like I was saved by this branch. Okay, I can work with that. Let's see if I can pop up out of there, get a close save par. No dice. That was bloody atrocious. Alright, we're at hole 3 now. Par 5, straight away. Did I mention it's wet out today? It's a problem. Going with a 3-wood here. Not so good. Not so good. I need to make up some ground here. Just a ways away. Let's go 3-wood. Let's just try to hit a good one and not pull it left like I've been doing lately. My ego is being tested greatly. Mother. Hit 1, short. 2, pop it up. 3, blast it left. Hit a freaking tree in the fairway for hole 2. It's wet. It's wet outside. No excuses. I just suck. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry for cussing like that. I'm a bad man with a bad mouth. Anyway, I'm gonna go for a little, what do you call? A little hook? Or no, the other way. Little slice, little, purposeful around that tree. Because it was 1, 2 popped up, 3 over here. So I gotta hit 4. I gotta get on the green and 1 putt to save par. There's a big old tree in my way. The green's right that direction. Did I mention there's a tree there? Okay. Right through there. Right through there, I don't know. It's bad. I got trouble on my mind. So much trouble on my mind. Hitting 6 right now. Let's see if I can just get it close. 1 putt, save a double bogey. Get on with my life. Going with a 52, little knockdown. Try to keep it below that branch. Get it up, get it over. Just on the edge of the green there. Oh man. All right, hole 4 here, par 3, going 8 iron, nice and smooth. Try to make up for that last hole, my gosh. Left. Hitting a 48 degree. I want to get it up, get it out there, and hopefully sink this one. Not bad. Not rush this one. Yeah. After that one, another bogey. Moving in a better direction. You gotta stay positive. You know, golf is like life. Each shot is a different decision. Each hole, another day. Each round, another week, year, however you want to look at it. Point is, crappy things happen to us, and a lot of the times it's our fault. Sometimes you get a bad bounce. It's just how you recover, how you handle the bad shots. That's what makes you a good golfer, not your score. Hole 5. Par 4, pretty short. I'm gonna hit the driver here. My hands are pretty wet. There's nothing to dry them on. My towels are soaked, everything's soaked. Turn. It's gonna be a little bit tough for my second shot, but you know what? It's not OB. We're already doing better. Even if I just wanted to go through that tree, it wouldn't do me any good. I'm a lot safer just going to the right side. Just punching it, trying to keep it out of trouble, get it up and forward as much as possible. I got through there, but It wasn't quite the stinger I was hoping for. We're not shooting low today, I'll tell you that. Okay, let's see if I can chip in for par here. I'm hitting a 52 degree. Pray for me. Cut the distance down. Real nice, real nice. I took a bogey on that last hole. Going to hole 6 right now. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it through the last 4 holes before it gets dark. It's getting a little gloomy out here. Hole 6 here, about 140 yards. I'm playing a 9-iron. Been hitting them so left you'd think I was voting for Kamala. I'm gonna go with a 60 degree here. When in doubt, blade it out, I guess. It's getting dark. I'm drenched, and I think I heard thunder. Might have been my stomach. No excuses, just reasons. I'm not one to give excuses. So, hole 7. It's gonna be the last one. It's on the way back to my car anyway. So, we're gonna play a 3-wood here, and it looks like they cleared all those trees out of there. So, that's nice. Nice little worm burner, right? Didn't go very far, but it's in play. I'm gonna tell you a scary story. A scary story about a guy who went out and played 7 holes. Didn't get 1 par. He has 1 chance to get on in 2 with a big ass freaking tree right in front of me. 130 out, hitting my 2nd shot. Last hole before I call it a day. Let's see if I can save par. I think I'm on. Just barely. No, I'm short. I'm sorry. But, you know. Still got over that damn tree. Let's get a par. That was a 56 on the last shot. That was a 56 as well. There goes my chance at a par.